Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. Today we're just continuing our meal prep series where we talk about easy and fast ways to make meal prep easy. Today I'll just be talking about lemons and how I preserve and use lemons on a daily basis regularly to really help to detoxify, to really help with making recipes as delicious and as nutritious as possible. So we're a large family following a holistic approach to health, and with lemons I buy lemon in bulk whenever it's on sale, and I always opt for the organic lemon just because I use the rind as well as the lemon flesh in many different recipes, and also organic is best because, as you know, we want to avoid as much pesticides and chemicals as possible. And lemon is very alkalizing. It's really high in vitamin C as well as other minerals. Whenever organic lemon is on sale, I do buy it in bulk and I freeze as much as I can, which is the excess lemons. I just put them in the freezer either as whole, or I take them out and I juice them and just preserve them that way, preserve the flesh and the rind, as well as I use the peels to make lemon oil. So I just use a regular oil or almond oil, sweet almond oil, and I just peel off the rinds and I preserve the rinds in almond oil, and after 2 to 6 weeks I have lemon oil or lemon infused oil. So olive oil also works best, and I use lemons a lot in different vitamin infused waters. So with the frozen lemons here, I did take out the juice. Some I have not taken out the juice, so with the juice I preserve it either in a bottled container in the fridge, or I put them in ice cube molds and use it that way with the juice. But with the frozen lemons, I use them in all sorts of aromatic recipes, in bone broth, in all sorts of different broths and stews and soups, as well as just take out a couple and put them in water if I'm out of lemons to make vitamin infused water. And I also use lemons in different sorts of recipes such as sweets and so forth, but the most ways I use lemon is to just use it in vitamin infused water and lemon water. It's really fabulous, and I hope you try it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you're interested to know more about different meal prep ideas so we can go into more detail. Take care and all the best. See you in the next video. Bye bye.